Hey,
We're back, guys. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're
in
back.
your face.
We're back like we never left.
In your face. We never leave, actually. Multiple
What's up?
videos every single day. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you
And
watch.
please make sure you subscribe. Also, please suggest videos. Like
We need
that-
more suggestions.
Let's make this a community thing. We'll shout you out in the video after you once you suggested a video. When you react to it, we'll shout you out, and make sure that we tag you. Let's get it. We're gonna be reacting to celebrities roast featuring Kanye West. People need to leave Kanye West alone.
No?
Kim Kardashian, Michael. Come on, why him as well?
Okay, for Mike, I can talk because he's never bothered anyone and he's not here to defend himself. But Kanye, come on, dog. Kanye is open game. With all the things that he says, he's open game.
What about Kim K?
Well, it's obvious.
Why is she being maligned?
It's her brand. I mean, people smutting her face is nothing new.
Anyone can get mad, Chris. Even Shaquille O'Neal.
Excuse me. My flapjacks was supposed to have a Superman S on them.
Are you mad? I can't tell if you're mad.
Very mad. This is unacceptable. What's the point of having millions of dollars if everything can't be Superman?
Okay, well, we'll fix it anyway. Is there anything else I can get you?
Yes, a big ambulance. I am stuck in this booth.
Don't forget, I was in that elevator with Jay-Z. Hey, did you have your guy hit too? I gotta get down to the business center to print out my boarding pass. Oh, hey, that's gonna leave a mark. That's from a movie. So you girls traveling with your dad here? Hey, don't kick him, muddy shoes. He's got a white suit on. Hey, look, I don't know if you guys are really staying here, but you can't get into the pool without a room key.
I should have known Peter had something to do with this. You're not the first person whose life he screwed up.
Who's Brown Simpson?
Knock, knock.
Oh,
Nicole,
shit.
Ronald, who's ready for Boggle?
OJ.
Oh, my God. No. Why? Why? My beautiful Nicole. My man Ronald, who did this? Oh, man, they were so good together. We were just establishing our friendship.
They were so
They were
good
about to get engaged. Oh, he was going to ask me to be an usher. I mean, he already had enough groomsmen, so he made me an usher. But just to think I could be involved in the ceremony in any way.
All right, we're clear.
Stephen
I'm telling you, man,
Hawking.
this shtick is getting so old. That chair smells, dude. Hey, Steve, surf's up. All right, see you, bitch.
Not special?
Everyone's special, Peter.
Rock drummer Tommy Lee?
And if your wife ever tells you that you're not special, punch her really hard right in her hepatitis.
Thanks, rock drummer Tommy Lee.
Hey, you know what else is cool? Having sex with sunglasses on.
I've got a lot of things to try now.
Like when I went on that camp out with One Direction. So they checked into their hotel suite, but the minibar had no sparkling water, only still.
Stop. It's too scary.
Oh, but that's not all. They looked in the wardrobe and discovered that the stylist had only brought non-skinny jeans.
Do you mean like a Levi's 513 skinny straight?
No, just regular pants that fit normal.
That's not real, right? Those aren't real. Of course not, Louis. It's just a story.
Yeah, I guess that means these aren't real. They're gonna die in the woods. Simon, are they tagged? They're tagged, right?
Oh, they're tagged.
Good. Simon, did I ever tell you the one about the loose-fitting T-shirt? No.
Looks like I got kicked out of Coldplay. Guys, I got an idea. How about we do a song that's not whiny bullcrap? Yeah, so you watch it, Fishman. We are gonna beat you so bad you'll think you gave Chris Brown an STD.
Is that what happened?
We now return to Joni Loves Chris Brown.
Joni, Chris, welcome to the party. Can I offer you some punch?
No thanks. I had some in the car.
Joni Loves Chris Brown was taped in front of a...
That's the most generic.
Black guy
ever.
It doesn't even look anything like Chris Brown. Not
Very
even like the
uncomfortable.
tats. It's like nothing.
studio audience.
Hey, Chris Brown. I just wanted to say I'm a huge fan of your music. This is just gonna make me listen more. Oh, hey, Ray Rice. Would you mind
Ray
pressing
Rice.
lobby? What do you got, potatoes in your ears? I said press lobby. Obviously the second happiest.
Why is it raining the shit like that?
Oh my God, I wasn't even supposed to be here. I passed out at the Tom Petty concert last night and just stayed.
You're gonna open my door.
Kiki Palmer.
I'ma reach over and open your. Go pay for dinner, take me to see a movie, and whisper in my ear, I bet you really wanna do me.
Please, go slow. I have ideas.
Social drinker, not an alcoholic.
The legs.
Yeah, that's like saying rappers are really poets.
It's like saying rappers are
I'm
really
not
poets.
saying she's a gold digger, but she's not messing with. Who isn't she messing with?
Are you gonna say it?
All right. What could go wrong? It worked out great for.
What the fuck? Oh man, these are all the people.
Listen, I
Shit,
want to
did
throw
you
you
see
the
that?
wildest bachelor party of all time. It's going to be crazier than whatever Kanye West is doing at this particular moment.
I'm giving this lasagna a massage while preparing to announce I'm joining ISIS. Thank you for your interest.
Can you catch us up on all the important things that we've missed?
Rob Kardashian, Kris Jenner. Okay. Bruce is now Caitlyn, and okay.
Tiger Black China is hilarious.
Courtney is no longer dating Scott Disick. Okay.
Love Saints. Amber Rose.
Kim Kardashian is still with Kanye. Okay, not anymore. And
Rob,
they have
Tree,
North
Black
and Saint. Okay. Kanye is no longer with
Why
Amber
did they write
Rose.
sisters?
Sisters Amber Rose.
Yeah. Why is Stewie writing?
Jesus, okay. Well, I think because Tiger and who's this guy? Rob's.
Yeah, they share.
They
a mother.
baby mama, so their kids are siblings.
Yeah.
Sure. What a family. Keep it in the family. Even
So
the
no
sex.
way! Kylie Jenner and Tyga are no longer together?
Splitsville, my friend.
How did Robert Kardashian die?
Guilt cancer.
From what?
Oh, boy.
So people thought the dancing Judge Itos were funny?
For a while, yes.
Is Leno still doing it?
No, he's not hosting anymore.
Oh, so Conan got the Tonight Show?
Oh, come on.
It's Jon Stewart.
Okay, I'll put the Kanye canes in the stockings.
You know, it's just like, music and fashion, all that. I can't be stopped. Whatever I do, I just want to be the best because the best is never enough. Mark Zuckerberg promised he'd give me $50 million, fam, but then he welched and I'm penniless. Kanye is the greatest. Kanye drops the latest. There can be no debaters, and Kanye got the...
You tweet things that aren't worth tweeting.
Well, I'm sorry, but Kim Kardashian did get famous for making a sex tape.
We all know that. That's not yours.
What is that?
It's my Magic 8 Ball. This is the first black ball that Kim Kardashian hasn't played with. New streaming world. No! No!
Kim, what's
Nice
wrong?
body, Kim.
A black ball went to waste.
Oh, come on.
Wow, it looks like Michael Jackson's coming right at me.
He humps a guy like me.
Stewie, did Mr. Jackson behave inappropriately toward you?
Well, yes, but the worst part was he never called back. No, but in all seriousness, yeah, he was actually pretty aggressive.
Even more aggressive than Michael Jackson's treatment of his own groin on stage.
Never air guitar to call center hold music when you're naked.
What the hell is naked?
Rather do insurance online.
Why?
Why?
You're taking it too far.
Thank you.
A bigger hit with the kids than Will Smith and his nice clean rap.
Woo!
Yeah.
I respect women when I'm on a date. I take them to the park or maybe a museum, and I only try to kiss them if they're ready. Woohoo! What is it? What? Help out your mom and dad by getting a job so you can help pay for school supplies. Woohoo! Say ho! Wipe your shoes on the mat when you come in the house. Someone just clean that floor. Woohoo! Say what? Ha ha!
I've been in uncomfortable situations before, like whenever I meet famous people.
Hey, what's up? I'm Snoop Dogg. Know what I'm saying?
I do! But you don't, Peter. You don't.
This is the Seth Rogen gene. It will give you the appearance of being funny even though you haven't actually done anything funny.
Ooh, that's true.
Hey, Doc, are we gonna be much longer? I gotta get some beers with the fellows before I go out on this date.
How charming and chubby. I'm rooting for you.
Wow, look at that HD picture.
Yeah, it's so clear you can even see Ellen DeGeneres' breath.
Well, my guest today is Seth Rogen, who's got a new movie out. Now, Seth, this movie is hot. It's just hot, hot, hot. How does it feel to have the hottest film in Hollywood?
What the?
It's the coolest George Clooney there is.
Hi, George Clooney, second worst Batman.
Peter Griffin, second best Homer.
You may have heard, I'm also known for my practical jokes on the set. One time, I nailed Nora Dunn in the head with an apple.
That's hilarious because you're handsome. Otherwise, you're just some dick who hit a lady. It's more ridiculous than the theory of why Tom Cruise
How is it the second worst Batman? Who's the first?
runs in all his movies.
Damn it, okay. I have to think about that.
Wow, that cameraman has nice strong arms.
You can't catch me, gay thoughts.
Tom Cruise.
In a nightclub? God, you're more out of place than Prince was on The Price is Right.
And what's your bid on the dining room set, Prince?
$350.
I'm sorry?
$350.
Can you speak up, please?
$350.
All right, and the actual retail price of the dining room set is $350.
Yay.
Oh, we gotta get you to the hospital. You're hideous. Who did this to you? Where are my keys? Where's my keys? Where are my keys?
Peter, what about Babs?
Forget about yourself for a second, Carter. Look what has happened to Jonathan Lipnicki.
Oh, yeah. No, you're
Oh, yeah,
right. You should probably take care of it.
Yeah. He always looked young. But yeah, I don't like the hate Kim is getting. Stop making jokes about Kim Kardashian.
Why not?
That sex tape is old. But yeah, there was celebrities roast: Kanye West, Kim Kardashian, Michael Jackson, Family Guy. Yeah. Please like, subscribe, and
Black Ball went to waste.
and suggest videos. Please suggest videos for us
Yeah,
that we can react to. We'll give you a shout out the next time we react, when we're reacting to your video, and we'll give you a shout out in the description. But yeah, thank you so much, guys, for sticking with us, and yeah.